just to be brought back. Almost the entire team is back here, including subcontractors, to finish out this complete project and give WBEZ a brand new home that they'll be living in for many years. I'm Henry Philippek, Skender Construction. We're out at the new WBEZ renovation out at Navy Pier. This will be the new main entrance. There's going to be a main studio here on the right-hand side, and there'll be two new ones over here on the left-hand side. This is one of the main existing corridors that is to remain, but we're going to be renovating the studios on the interior side. This will be the main studio for WBEZ. There'll be two secondary studios over there off in the distance. This area right here is considered a sound lock. It'll be the main entrance into the three new studios. This will be a full glass wall, which will eventually open up out into where all of the newscasters and workers for WBEZ will be. These are going to be 4 new editing booths. These are all going to be sound isolated and specially constructed, so no sound will come out of these rooms. One of the things that's unique about WBEZ's project is we are literally out on Navy Pier's loading dock. In 2019, we came up with this similar challenge of how do we get materials into this space? So we came up with this platform out here. We've got a temporary door. We have a lull that's on site that we load up all the materials for. We've got this safety beam up here, so you tie off, you take off the handrail behind you, you get your product up into the space, and then you wheel it in. This is the new storage room specifically for the Steinway grand piano, and these are the 2 openings that we've created. Piano is extremely large and extremely heavy, so it wants to come out of the studio and just simply roll into this new storage room. This is going to be Studio 10. There's going to be a very extremely large window over there for any of visitors or anything to see. And then over here is the control room, or master control room for the performance studio. What makes this an excellent completion of the entire project that we started in 2019 to now is the relationship that we have with WBEZ. Being a true trade partner, we fully understand what WBEZ wants. That's what brought us back to this project.